Here, there are two subtraction methods used in a binary number system, that is subtraction by using one's complement, subtraction by using two's complement method. These two methods are subtraction method, but we are adding two binary numbers here. First of all, we are going to see the rules for the binary subtraction by using ones complement subtraction method. The ones complement means in a given number, replace each 0 by 1 and 0 to the 1. Thus we get the ones complement of the binary numbers. In that method, whenever larger minus smaller, that means in method first we are going to say larger minus smaller. Suppose we have to subtract 1001 1001 from 1110. Then we shall use the following steps. In that process, obtain the ones complement of the smaller binary number. That is the number which is to be subtracted. It is converted into its ones complement format. Then add that ones complement of subtracting number in a given number or in a larger number. After addition, perform the end around carry. If end around carry is 1, if that end around carry is equal to 1, remove it from its position, remove from here and add it in the octet number. That carry is removed from here and it is added in that number 0100. So then we are getting finally we get the required answer of the subtraction, that the smaller number from the larger number. That means whenever the subtracting number is smaller and given number is larger, we get the answer is positive. We get end around carry is equal to 1. At that time that end around carry is removed from it and it is added in the final answer. So we get answer in the form of positive number. Now second method, smaller minus larger. Suppose we have to subtract 1101 from 1010, then we shall use the following step. First, obtain the ones complement of the larger number, which is a subtracting number here. Ones complement of smaller number, obtain the ones complement of the larger number, then that is added to the smaller number or in a given number. After addition, perform the end around carry. At that time, that end around carry is equal to 0 or end around carry is absent. At that time, what's happened? Whenever the end around carry is absent, that means the answer is negative, because we are subtracting larger number from the lower number. So as per our algebra rules, that answer is a negative. Here also we are getting the negative answer. When end around carry is absent, when end around carry is equal to 0, the answer is in negative form and it is in ones complement form. So takes ones complement of octet number and mark it with a negative sign. This is the required answer. Here, in example 1010, that is a decimal number 10. sorry, 1010 decimal number 10, and from that number we are subtracting number 1101. So take the one's complement of 1101, it is added, so we are getting answer 1100, and our carry is absent, that means the answer is negative. At that time, take the ones complement of that addition 1100, so we are getting finally minus 0011. The final answer is negative. This is a very simple procedure of subtraction. Actually it is a subtraction, but we are adding number. In that process, one's complement subtraction method, the number which is to be subtracted, it is converted into the one's complement format, and then that number is added to the given number. After addition, perform the end around carry. If end around carry is 0, then answer is negative. That answer is in one's complement format, then it recomplement the final answer and attaches negative sign to it. If end around carry is equal to 1, at that time that carry is removed from it and then it is added to the answer. So we are getting the answer is a positive. So by using one's complement subtraction method, we can subtract lower number from the higher number. We get positive answer, and we can subtract higher number from the lower number. We are getting negative answer. This one's complement subtraction method is very simple and it is very useful in a digital electronic digital circuit for the subtraction process. The another method of the subtraction is the 2's complement subtraction method.